At the Luna Park. Give me that, babe, just in case it gets wet, babe. Oh, that's a big one.
Check out the swimming pool.
Do you want to swim there? Yeah, let's go swim this, Zach. We're just gonna try this square pool. Just careful, it's very slippery. Is it cold? Try to go in. Go in. Sige na, or else you'll be cold out here. Sige na, swim first. Just a little. Just wait. Morning, guys. We all packed up. We are checking out today. This is our day 3. So it's been busy all morning. Cleaning. Zach's busy.
How'd your head go, Zach? How'd your head go?
We all sore from yesterday's roller coaster ride. Oh, it's so cold today. So I might go for a quick dip before going home. So that's our background there. People are swimming already. The water is probably warm. Might go for some. We have breakfast first and. We're just waiting for breakfast, guys.
Where did you go for breakfast? Where did you go get a meal?
I am.
Oh, you bring a room up there? No.
Out na, guys. Next destination, Canberra. Zach, get your water bottle from there. They shouldn't make the sides white like this one with the other ones.
Oh, can you drive?